let me show you, this is the 22-inch Kinky Straight, and this one is the 20-inch Kinky Straight. This is the 2 bundles volume, and this is the 4 bundles volume. This one. So you can compare the volume of this hair when it comes to, because we're not comparing the same length, but it's very similar. This is the 22-inch, and this one is a 20-inch 4 bundles. Let me show you this. This is the 14-inch 3 bundles. 14-inch 3 bundles. To me, I think is 2 bundles of 14-inch to make a wig is enough. Some ladies, they want very volumized hair, very fuller hair. They will buy the 3 bundles. This one. Let me show you. It's very easy to. But it's still easy to brush this hair. This one. See, it's very, you can see the texture is very natural. It can match the afro hair. This one. And let me show you the 22-inch. It comes to, if you install the bundles on the head, this is the 22-inch. Back to here. I'll show you the 20-inch. So you can compare the lengths. You decide which length you would like to purchase. This one. And 14-inch. Let me show you the 14-inch of this one. The 14-inch and 12-inch would be very good to make a wig in summer. This one. It's very soft. It's very soft to move this hair. This one. This. Okay. This is the hair we're going to ship for clients today.